Hello, this is Mario from DataMighty, bringing you an Excel tutorial on distinct and unique values. A written tutorial can be found in the description box down below. So you really have two options. You can either A, remove the duplicates from your list, or you can B, extract the unique values into a different location. I'll go over both right now. The first option I'm going to show you is how to remove duplicate values from a list. To do this, select and highlight your list. Go into the Data tab, and once you're in the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates, and then this pop-up window will appear. And all of the columns that you selected will show up here. And checkmark the column that you want to remove duplicates in. In our case, it's zip code. So we'll checkmark that and click OK. And now we're left with 22 unique values. Now I'm going to show you how to extract the unique values from a list and paste it into another location. So we're going to go back a step and we're going to bring the full list again. And we'll start off by selecting and highlighting the full list again. And also in the Data tab, you will go to Advanced. So before we went to Data and then we went to Remove Duplicates. In this case, we'll go to Data and we'll click Advanced. And once you do that, this pop-up window will appear. You're going to want to click Copy to another location. And then you're going to select where you want to copy it to. So you'll select this button right here. And you'll select exactly where you want to paste it. In our case, I'm going to throw it right here. And then click this little arrow to open up the window again. And make sure to select Unique Records Only. And once you do that, press OK. And now we have extracted only the unique values from a list into a different location while keeping the original list as is. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please press thumbs up. If you want to check out some other tutorials, please check out our channel. And if you want to test yourself, if you want to test your students, or if you want to test your candidates, we also have full Excel tests on our website. Please check it out. I have it linked down below in the description. Have a good one, guys.